So I opened YouTube in Chrome and instantly got it with ads, and another one. At this point, YouTube is basically unwatchable. But when I tried something different, I opened the video inside Brave browser and suddenly no ads, same phone, zero interruption. Most people still don't know Brave can block YouTube ads automatically. And honestly, it feels way smoother than the normal YouTube app. Here's how to do it. First, go to Google and search Brave browser. Open the official Brave website and download it. Brave is basically a private browser with built-in ad blocking and tracker protection. That means it blocks annoying ads automatically while you browse Brave. Now open Brave, go to youtube.com and play any video. You will notice something immediately. The ads are gone. No extra setup, no complicated steps, no premium subscription, and if ads will appear for you, tap the line icon near the address bar and make sure shields are turned on. That's the feature that blocks ads and trackers automatically. Also, Brave can make YouTube feel faster and cleaner because it's block tracker in the background too. But quick reminder, sometimes YouTube updates its system and some ads may still appear temporarily because YouTube actively fights ad blockers. Still, for most people, this works surprisingly well. Try this one and you will never want to watch YouTube the old way again. If you found this video helpful, stay connected with my channel Zonic Tech for more hidden Android tricks and smartphone tips. Thanks for watching.